Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add a bank account in PayPal. So if you want to link your bank account for sending, receiving or withdrawing money, just follow these simple steps. First, you need to open your PayPal and then log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Wallet. Inside the Wallet section, click on Link a Card or Bank and then choose Link a Bank Account. Now search for your bank from the list. If your bank is not listed, you can select the option to enter your bank details manually. Carefully type in your bank information including bank name, account number, required bank code, account type such as saving or checking. Then click continue. Double check all the information you entered. If everything looks correct, click on Link Bank. After that, PayPal may send 2 small deposits to your bank account for verification. This can take a few business days. Once you receive those deposits, go back to PayPal, enter the deposit amounts and click confirm to finish linking your bank account. And your bank account should now be connected to PayPal. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.